Okay, you started your Instagram page, you started for long and still you are not growing. You barely even pass from 500 to 5,000 followers for over 3 years or 4 years started your Instagram and you're still not growing. And you don't even know how to monetize your page. Then, if that is you, then you have to watch this video to the end. I know that you've been watching different kind of videos on how to grow on Instagram, how to monetize your business on Instagram, and how to get people to do what to buy from you. You've seen so many videos, but this video is actually going to be another different one from everyone you've been watching because I'm going to make it more simpler, to make it more realistic for you. So if this is you, you have to watch this video to the end. Please, before we continue, just wait. Kindly just take you 1 second to just like this video, share, and subscribe to this channel. This is actually going to help me. So let's continue with our program. So the first thing you're going to do is you truly need to understand your audience. So many people just come online without knowing their audience, knowing what they really want. You just keep posting and people don't engage with your content. If you're someone like this, you don't know your audience, you don't know what to post and how to post or what time to post on your page, then you're actually missing it. The first thing for you to know is who are your audience? Who are you trying to sell to? Are you a content creator? Are you a food blogger? Or you actually selling something on Instagram? You need to know your audience. Then you will know how to come in and feel what they want into the space. And if you actually create content that is actually for your audience, definitely you're going to sell whatever ebook, whatever product you're selling online. It will be easy for you to sell it. But if you don't know your audience, this is going to be very hard for you. Another thing is that create a content calendar designed for your growth. There's so many people on Instagram, they just go to other people's pages, check their content calendar. Oh, this person posted this thing now, then let me actually go to it. You need to create your own content calendar that is going to actually work for you. If you're a content creator and you want to create a content calendar, maybe you're actually in food niche, then you have to do what? You have to create content calendar that you're going to fill from your Monday to Friday. Note that it's actually good and better for you to post at least 3 to 4 times a day. But if you can't do that, make sure you post at least once a day. I'm not saying this is not going to work for you, but it's better for you to increase the pace. And the more you challenge yourself to increase the pace, the more better for you to grow on Instagram. If you're like a food content creator now, you can actually have a content calendar like seasonal recipe for Monday. On Tuesday, you can have food content by creating food content for people. On Wednesday, how to do this in your kitchen, how to do that in your kitchen. On Thursday, you can have what not to do in your kitchen. Things like that. And on Friday you can do outwise of different foods. And if you're actually an entrepreneur and you're watching this video, don't worry, I have created a content calendar designed for entrepreneurs as well. Maybe on Monday you can actually post your product, like, okay, if you buy this is my product on Monday, people get familiar with it. On Tuesday you can tell them the usage of it, what it is used for. On Wednesday you can actually take that same content again and tell them how to use that content. It is very, very important because most people just see things online, maybe with the carton, they don't even know what is in the content. If you show them how to use this content, it's going to be very, very good for your audience to know, okay, I need this is what I need, and this is not what I need. So let's go to number 3. Make sure the videos are not more than 60 seconds that you are posting. Let me tell you this. If you're actually a content creator and you post maybe more than 60 seconds, remember that people's retention value is actually very low. And your 60 seconds must consist of something transitioning, different things, audios, and something that is actually catchy for your audience. When you actually use an advantage of this 60 seconds is that you can actually post it on other content platform like TikTok, your Facebook, or your YouTube short as well. So make sure that the content you create is no more than 60 seconds, and if you can actually make it less than 60 seconds, it's actually good for you, so people can watch your video from beginning to the end. There's something that happened according to Instagram analytics this year. It actually works on how many minutes people use on your video. That is how much Instagram is going to refer your content to people. So when you create content less than 30 seconds and people finish watching it, trust me, Instagram will keep pushing your content to people because they too, they want to make money, and that's it. If a content is only half of this, like, okay, you're selling something, making a content for it is actually half of it. The main goal is to monetize it, get money back. That's it. Because content that is not bringing money back to you, then it's actually not your content. We actually want your content to money back guarantee content. That, okay, I've actually created this content, I've used all my energy, my thing. Will this content give me back my money? So now let's go to The monetization of your content. Develop your income stream. Sensible content creators have multiple stream of income. You cannot just base on one. YouTube might not be paying you right now. Let me go to content creators first. YouTube might not be paying you right now. TikTok might not be paying you. Instagram might not be paying you. But you have to have something else that you are doing that's going to be putting food on your table, depending the time that all these things are going to yield. You cannot just say that I want to quit my 9 to 5 job, because most people just put it online. I quit my 9 to 5 job and I'm getting $1,000. I quit my 9 to 5 job, I'm getting $10,000. Do not fall into that victim. Make sure you have something that you're actually doing that is going to be giving you money before your content starts bringing money. And now, content creators, you can actually have multiple streams of income, e.g., like affiliate marketing. This kind of marketing is something that is actually still reasonable, even when your page has really grown on YouTube or your Instagram. Affiliate marketing, you just need to put your link on the bio. Maybe you can actually have, e.g., you can actually affiliate market on Amazon, which is actually more realistic for you to do. Then you upload the video, you share the link when people want to buy things from it. And as far as people start trusting your brand, start trusting your content, they will actually want to buy whatever you actually advertising for. So if the link of your affiliate marketing is still on your bio, people can still buy even when your page actually grows far. So another thing is that offering your own products. Offering your own products, like digital products, ebook, recipes. If you're actually a content creator, try as much as possible not just to be doing videos alone. Yes, videos alone can actually give you the money when your assets start making money, I know. But for now, you can actually create maybe all the knowledge you have. You can actually put it into an ebook, sell it out at cheaper price for now, and make sure that you're not just giving it out for free. It helps you, because by the time people start reading your ebook, they start asking you more questions. It's even going to give you more knowledge in whatever you're actually doing. So these kind of things can actually make you to have money before your AdSense start building. Then you can have your recipe. Maybe you're a food content creator, you can actually be writing out the recipe you use out. Then one or two people might have interest in whatever you're doing, and they tell you that, okay, can we buy your recipe book and every other thing? Make it an ebook. They don't need to come down to you. And if you want to have a face-to-face one-on-one class, you're actually going to increase your money for them. So lastly, build your community. This is actually very important. That is why some people, I actually stumbled upon a page recently when someone says, do you still want to pay an influencer for your products, which is not going to yield in 2024? This is the thing. If you build a community, people will want to work with you. How to build a community? Let me just tell you this thing. Make sure that people that are your contact on your Instagram page or your YouTube, you communicate with them. When they comment, you're not too big to reply. Reply comments. It's going to help you to familiarize yourself with people, and that actually makes people to trust you. So whenever you advertise for a brand, they're going to do what? They're going to definitely show love to that brand by buying and following the brand. And that's how other brands are going to trust you, because if you have not worked for a brand before, it's actually going to be very hard for any brand to trust you, because they are not saying what you have, what they want. They're not going to see it in you. So this video actually helped you. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and subscribe. So in my next video, I'm going to be coming with so many other things you're going to do on your YouTube and Instagram to grow this coming year. This is actually our year. So until next time, I'm going to be seeing you. Take care.